Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Lamborghini Murcielago vs Ferrari F430 full comparison. Pay attention as I walk you through engine feel, driving character, maintenance realities, and resale tendencies. I break down horsepower, torque delivery, and handling traits so you can picture each car on road and track. I also cover typical repair costs and insurance expectations to help match a car to your lifestyle and budget. I explain how the Murcielago and F430 differ on speed, balance, and driver engagement in everyday and spirited driving. Expect commentary on acceleration feel, mid-range torque, gearshift speed, and chassis feedback. I'll describe how weight, aerodynamics, and tire setup influence cornering and braking. By the end, you will understand which car favors comfort or track focus, and why that matters for real-world use and enthusiast enjoyment. Please subscribe and like if you are finding this video helpful. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tightly, stack neatly, and simplify post-drive meals or track days. They pair surprisingly well with a car weekend routine and reduce mess in cup holders. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. I cover ownership realities so you know ongoing expenses beyond sticker price, including scheduled service, common repairs, and fuel consumption differences between the two engines. Expect notes on specialist labor, parts lead times, and recommended preventative checks to reduce surprises. I'll also discuss depreciation patterns and how originality, mileage, and maintenance records affect market value when you decide to sell or trade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.